Hi friends, it's the last day of January and I asked on my Instagram story if you guys would be interested in seeing a monthly recap and like favorites post and video and stuff, and you guys said yes, so I thought I'd do it for you. So I first wanted to talk about my January goals and whether or not I achieved them. So my first goal was to do my VIP Kid interview. VIP Kid is this online platform where you can tutor kids in China and do ESL tutoring, and so I wanted to get ready and do my interview for that so that I could start teaching some classes and pick up, you know, just a little bit of extra money for traveling and for the wedding and that sort of thing. I haven't done the actual interview yet, but I have been practicing, and I definitely have a lot better feel of what I need to do to get hired. So I've been doing a lot of research that way. So I'm gonna do my interview very soon, but I haven't had time to do it this month. The next one was to complete Shift Shop, which is a health and fitness workout plan that was made by Beachbody. And I started to do this and I was going really hardcore and I was doing really, really well. And then it just kind of all came crashing down and I was like, you know what? I don't think that this is the right plan for me right now. I think I really need to figure out how to be more lenient with myself rather than going so hard all or nothing. And so I decided that I'm gonna focus more on just like a holistic eating approach, and because Shift Shop had me cutting out all grains, which isn't a bad thing in and of itself, but I don't think that I was in the right mindset to be doing that type of experiment right now. So I'm just gonna be focusing on eating more mindfully, making better choices, and moving my body every day instead of saying like, oh, I have to do intense workouts like 6 days a week as part of this schedule, and if I miss one then I screw up. And I'm gonna focus on moving my body for 30 minutes every day. It can be walking, it could be yoga, it could be a super intense HIIT workout. It's just gonna be whatever my body's kind of craving. And then my last goal that I did accomplish was to put out 6 YouTube videos and 4 blog posts. And as of today, this will be my 5th blog post. I'll have the link down in the description bar. And it'll be my 9th video this month. So I'm pretty happy with the frequency that I've been uploading, and I'm gonna try and keep it up. Ideally, I would even add some more in, but I think I need to get better at actually making time to film my content before I'll be at that level. All right, so now on to my favorites for the month of January. I'll start out with my style and beauty faves. So my number 1 favorite style item was my camel sweater that I wore in my 3 ways to wear a basic sweater video. I'll insert a clip and I'll also link to it in, I don't know if it's there or there, but I'll link to it in a card for you so that you can go check out that one, because I styled it 3 different ways and I really liked all the looks. Then my next style and beauty favorite I have here, and it is this lipstick. It is, not gonna focus? Yeah, okay. It's Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Dreamer, and so I really like this. It is just like a nice pink lipstick. It's long wearing and it's great just for every day, and I love that you can get it at the drugstore because a lot of the liquid lipsticks that I like are really expensive, so it's nice to have a drugstore option. And then I'm gonna grab my last favorite. All right, it's been really cold here, so my last favorite of the month is 2 scarves. I got them both for Christmas. One is this infinity scarf, and it's like a black and white knit, and so it's like really plain and simple, but I really like it. It's very warm and cozy for bundling up. And then the other one that I've been wearing a lot is this like blanket style scarf, and my sister got me this, and I don't know if you can tell, but it says girl power on it. So I love that. I wore this one to the Women's March, and I normally just kind of wear it like this, and it's also really nice and warm. So love both of these scarves. Okay, so then for health and wellness favorites, one of my health and wellness favorites for the month was drinking tea, and this is like 1 package of tea that I have. But I had my friends over a lot. We tried to start up a tradition of weekly girls' nights, and so instead of like picking out on junk food, we normally just make a pot of tea and sit around and chat. Sometimes we play games, and so having lots of different fun teas on hand has been really, really great for the month. My other health and wellness favorite is zoodles and cauliflower rice. So I started cooking more of these when I was doing that grain-free Shift Shop, and I really like them, and so I've been trying to incorporate more vegetables that way. And I stuck with the zoodles and the cauliflower rice even post switching it up on the workout side of things. And so I've really been enjoying those. I made a really yummy Mexican cauliflower rice casserole, and then I've just been doing zoodles with sauce, and I can insert a clip of me making zoodles in last week's vlog here. Okay, so now on to lifestyle favorites. So I got a plum planner for myself for this year, for 2019, and I have really been enjoying it. I got to customize all of the inside spreads, and I have really been liking it. It's gorgeous, it's perfect for just like my everyday life, and because I was able to customize it, it's exactly what I want. I will definitely be doing a taking you through my planner and how I use it at some point, so I won't open it up and go into details and stuff now, but I do really enjoy that. And then another lifestyle favorite has been RuPaul's Drag Race. No surprise, Eric and I have been totally obsessed. We can't stop watching. We are in love with Bianca Del Rio. Eric is actually going to see Bob the Drag Queen on February 4th here in Fredericton, and I am traveling for work, so I can't go, and I'm so sad. I can't get over it. I'm too upset about it still. All right, and then this baby right here is my last lifestyle favorite of the month of January. I got this on a Boxing Day sale, and it is perfect for vlogging, and I've been able to take, I think, better quality video with it. So I've really been loving having that, and it even has this lovely little flip up screen so that I can see what I'm doing when I'm vlogging. So I love that. You guys have seen my vlogs, so you've already seen my favorite January memories, but I will link all my vlogs from January down below, and you can go check those out. I listed out in my blog post some of my favorite memories, but they're all in the vlogs, so I would go look for them there. I made up some February goals, so I thought I would end off the video by telling you what my 3 main goals that I'm gonna work on for February are. And so that is to move my body for 30 minutes every single day in February, and really just drive that home, make it a solid habit. And then the other thing is to journal my food, and do so non-judgmental, but also journal how it makes me feel, what time I'm eating at, what foods I'm eating, because I think I just need to get more mindful around how certain foods make me feel and whether or not they give me energy, and really eat to fuel my body. And then my last goal is to start a good nighttime routine, because I have a pretty solid morning routine. I will link that video there. I have a pretty solid morning routine, but nighttime routine is a little harder because I feel like I struggle to shut off, and Eric and I don't really have a set bedtime routine, so I'm gonna really try and get that in place and experiment with some different things, and then I will report back. But I want to get better sleep, and I really think that habits are the foundations of our lives, and if we can change our habits, then it can really have profound impacts on the way that we live. And so I have a pretty solid morning routine. I'm gonna start trying to have a better nighttime routine and see what changes I can make from there. All right, I hope you had an amazing January and that your February is gonna be even better. I'm looking forward to doing these monthly recaps for you in 2019. So enjoy, have a good day.